Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing and reviewing Pro leather cases for iPhone 14 Pro Max by Sandmarc. So we have 4 colors here with us today: brown, navy, black and teal. Let's start by examining the box. So the box is pretty minimalistic. Sandmarc branding on the top, photo of the case, and designed in California at the side. So on the back we have some information. Sandmarc says that this leather case is designed to protect your iPhone camera. It is a patent pending aluminum lens mount that serves both as a camera protection and it also seamlessly attaches itself with Sandmarc branded lens and filters. So this Pro leather case is crafted from premium full grain leather with rich patina that develops with age. It is compatible with MagSafe wireless charging, and that's pretty much it. Let's open and see what we have got inside. So here you go. This is navy colored Sandmarc leather Pro case. Looks pretty beautiful. Initial impressions are very decent. And in the box there is no paperwork, just some protection foam and the case itself. Looking closely at the case, full grain leather is looking beautiful. So we have microfiber lining inside with Sandmarc branding, and on the back we have aluminum lens mount to attach Sandmarc lenses. And Sandmarc branding on the back, mute cutout, volume up and down, and this is where you can connect wrist straps. Bottom we have speaker grills and charger cutouts, power button, and nothing on the top. So I went on and unboxed all 4 colors for you. We have blue, teal, brown and black. We have already examined the blue color, so let's check the next in line, which is teal. So similar to the blue color, we have microfiber lining inside, we have MagSafe ring, and by the way, all Pro cases are compatible with MagSafe accessories, which means that you can connect your MagSafe wallet, you can connect your MagSafe mounts, chargers, and it's going to work pretty neat with all those accessories. So the next color is brown, which is looking very beautiful. Sandmarc branding, full grain leather, microfiber lining inside. And the last but not least, we have standard black color, which looks very decent and neat. So let's test the case. I have iPhone 14 Pro Max in silver color here with me, and let's try the blue case. Installation is pretty straightforward, went in pretty smoothly, and the lens cutouts have fit in very nicely. There is no gap or no misalignment at all. And if you look closely, you will see these threads where you can connect the Sandmarc lens. I have a Sandmarc lens here with me. Later in the video, I'll demo how easily you can mount this lens onto this case. So looking closely at the case, the mute button cutout is perfectly aligned with the button. Volume up and down keys are pretty smooth. The lock and unlock button is also smooth. Speaker grill and charger cutouts are perfectly aligned. Overall, I am very happy with the fitting and look of this case on my iPhone. Comparing it side by side with original Apple iPhone leather case, this is how they look. One definite difference is the aluminum lens mount, which protects your lens, plus it serves as the lens and filter attachment, and definitely the leather texture is different on both cases. Now let's test other colors and see how they look on the phone. This is teal, perfectly aligned, and it's looking beautiful. So taking it off is pretty straightforward and easy. Now let's test the brown color. Here you go. Perfectly aligned and looking beautiful. Very decent. Now the last color, black. Here you go. Very decent, beautiful, and perfectly aligned. Please do let me know in the comments which color do you like. So let's quickly unbox the Sandmarc Anamorphic Lens, and then I'll show you how it connects onto the Sandmarc Pro case. So this is the lens clip. If you do not have a Sandmarc Pro case, this is how you would attach it onto your phone lens. And this is the lens itself. So if you look closely, there are threads which look similar to the threads that we have on our dual lens mount. Installation is pretty simple. Just align the threads and rotate it clockwise. And here you go. Simple and secure. So if you are not using Pro cases by Sandmarc and you wish to mount a lens on your phone, you'll have to use the provided clip. So overall, the lens and case are seamlessly connected with each other. there are no alignment issues between the phone and Sandmarc lens. If you are using the clip, usually it's difficult to align both lenses together. Taking it off is very straightforward, just rotate it counterclockwise and lens will come off. So that's it for today. I hope this has been informative for you. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again with the next video.